Hello guys, welcome back to another video. There is an urgent opportunity that is available to those in the STEM domain. By STEM domain, I'm talking about those in the science, technology, engineering and mathematics domain. Now, I understand that a lot of people have applied to this platform previously, but they did not get called up. But you shouldn't bother because this project is currently active and the platform is currently hiring people because they need a lot of people to fill up these roles because they have projects currently. And this project is mainly in the STEM. So you're not talking about the arts and humanities now. You're talking about those in science, you're talking about those under technology, those under engineering fields, those under mathematics fields. So they currently need people to fill up these roles, and the platform is known as MINDRIFT. This is not the first time I'm promoting MINDRIFT on my channel, and one of the reasons I keep promoting MINDRIFT on my channel is because there are lots of opportunities that are available to you as an individual, regardless of the country you are staying, regardless of where you're coming from, regardless of your background. You have a solid opportunity to work with these people and get paid. Moreover, their pay is timely as well, and they pay very well. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a job I completed today, one of the jobs I completed today, the projects I completed today, and how much I made today. So I want you guys to know that this is real and this is not just me talking because I want to get referral commissions or something. No, I'm going to show you my account. I'm going to show you how much I made today, the 26th of March 2026. Now, if you've worked with MINDRIFT before now, then you understand that whenever there's a big project coming on, MINDRIFT always hires people in bulk. Like when I mean in bulk, I'm talking about en masse. They are hiring thousands of people to participate in those projects. So if you want to participate in those projects, you have to be proactive. You also have to be smart about it because you're not the only person who's going to be vying for these positions or who's going to be vying for this role. There are lots of people from different parts of the world who will be applying to these projects right now. So this is an urgent position. I was sent this today on the MINDRIFT platform. It appeared on my MINDRIFT platform today. So this role is going to require lots of people to participate in it. So if you want to participate in it, here are the things, the degrees you need to have. So I'm going to freeze the video at this point so that you can go through the list of courses or degrees you need to have to participate in this project. Alright, so for this position, there is a dedicated link that you'll be using to apply to this job. So I'm going to be showing you the breakdown, the steps to take when you want to apply for this job now. Click on the referral link in the description below or in the comments. I'm going to include it there. And then you click on the first part, which is the STEM domain, where you have to choose which domain you belong to, either mathematics, chemistry, machine learning, financial mathematics, any of them. You click on your particular field, then you include your specialization. Once you've done that, you are going to click your level of Python knowledge. You would see different options like proficient and the likes. You have to fill in everything there. In my previous videos, I've talked about how to upload your CV link. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload your CV to your Google Drive. Once you've done that, you're going to click on the options and manage access, change it to anyone with the link. So anyone with the link will be able to view that particular file. So that is what you're going to do. And once you've done that, copy the link and paste it in that box. As you can see in that box, just paste it in that box and submit. At the beginning of this video, I said I was going to show you guys how much I made today, the 26th of March 2026. So this is my MINDRIFT dashboard currently. These are the available jobs and I don't work on all of them, but if you can see this part, look at it, 59 tasks. Okay, this is it, 26th March 2026. So you know that this is not me just talking. I'm not just talking. I have to show you guys proof. And there are people who have also worked with MINDRIFT and have gotten paid. So if you belong to the STEM domain, please try as much as possible to apply immediately. Try as much as possible to work on your CV right now and apply because they are mass recruiting. They are recruiting in mass right now. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. As always, please remember to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notifications so that you will be aware whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.